Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video you will learn how to change live caption font size in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the settings of your tablet here, then go to accessibility here, then here select live caption preferences, and here just click on caption size and style, and see here captions will look like this. Text size, click on text size here, and by default text size is now selected. If you choose large option, large text size will be used. If you select very large, somewhat very large will be used. This is the preview. Okay, if you would like to use small size, click on small, then very small. So from this list you can select a font size. Okay, if you would like to change back to default, click on third one, default, so that default font size will be applied for live caption. So in this way you can easily change live caption text size, that is font size, in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.